Namaste loves, I'm Preeti. Today I'm going to do a better skin challenge. As you can see right here, my skin is breaking out quite a lot due to hormonal imbalance, and there are a couple of videos about like better skin challenge within a week, month, or like month and a half. So I thought even I should do something like that because my skin has got little bit more disturbed into coming this month. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell just so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start with this plain water, and we're going to take a lemon, and this is a turmeric, and another one is a ginger, and we're going to squash all of them and boil that water just like until it doesn't turn into yellow color. I'm going to start boiling this water. After a certain time it will turn into yellow color. I would highly suggest of using lemon little bit more because it will give you a little bit more of a pH balance and remove your acidic effect from your skin. So the next thing we will do is keeping track of our water. Now this has helped me a lot because lately I'm not really drinking that much of water. That is why this is one of the best for someone like me who doesn't really drink. As far as I am concerned, I prefer to drink more than 4 liters of water. Otherwise my skin does break out. It all depends on your weight and what type of skin you have. Then we will move on to our third step, and that is exfoliation. Now I personally prefer a dry exfoliation because normally if I use anything like a liquid or cream base, my skin does tends to spread all of those infections. So I prefer this dry makeup remover sponge or like a facial sponge to remove all my dead skin. This has really helped my skin to smoothen out all its pores. Then one thing I will highly recommend is using a toner that has like a menthol in it. What this menthol does is it calms down your skin, like uneven texture skin. This will help your pores to get clean, give you little bit more of cooling effect, which I think so, which is really important if you have like a problematic skin like mine. Our last step will be a glycerin. If you don't know what it is like a hydration penetration properties. This also balance out your pH, which is like your whether your skin is dry or acidic. This one will help your skin to get little bit more hydration and reduce all of those infection on your skin. So if you could get hold of this, then at least use and give it a try once. I'm going to apply this first as a face wash, as you could see here, and then I'm going to wash my face. So yeah, these are the steps I have adopted lately into my morning routine. In case if you find this video worth enough, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you follow this step into your daily life routine, then please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram account just so that I could know you guys really like it or not. And yeah, bye. Thank you for watching.